everyone, welcome back to Danielle's Decor. Well, I wanted to work on my little Easter vignette right here on this brick. This used to be a fireplace, they closed it in, but it sits right by my wood burning stove and we're kind of in my kitchen dining room area. So I wanted to show you guys how I did, or how I'm going to do this. But I'm excited to play with some of my new little things that you guys seen earlier. So hopefully you guys like this, and let's get started on this. Be right back. So as you know, I did my little chalkboard sign and I didn't end up using it out in the living room. I'm gonna go ahead and use it here. I want it to sit, it's kind of like that right there. And then I have my little basket down here. That's actually full of different little things right now, so let me go ahead and empty this out. I know you can't see, but I got all these things shoved down in this basket. Let's dump that out. So I'm gonna take my little basket, and I want my little basket to sit kind of like that. And there. And then this little flower arrangement that I did, this is gonna sit over here on this end. Like that. Ooh, I almost knocked him over. Then I have this poor little bunny. And this is one that came from Hobby Lobby. I've had this for years now. And I can't see what year I bought it. I've had it probably about 3 years. And he's been bounced all over my house this year. But I just love him, so I want to use him in every little thing. So we're going to go ahead, and I want him to sit right here. Kind of snugged up next to that. So we have those two. And then I have this little pot of greenery, which I've had this. This came from Family Dollar. They do have them this year. They're only $3. And then my little cabbage, like this. So I want this to kind of sit right in here, leaning forward. And then I'm going to lay my cabbage kind of right in next to it. And I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer once I'm finished with everything. My little greenery ball, I'm going to put this down here. And then I have just one of these little balls like that. And that one's going to sit there. Now I have some extra pieces of this lavender left over that I didn't use in this little pot right here. So I'm going to take some of those pieces. And I just kind of want to stuff a little bit in around this bunny right here, and I want to kind of fill in with that lavender. So I'm going to put a couple little pieces kind of like that. I want them kind of hanging out of my basket. And then I put one kind of standing up right there, and then one more kind of right in there, just to kind of fill in all that. And I know you guys probably can't see very well. I got this big heavy bunny down here on the floor. But now I'm going to take my little thing like this from Hobby Lobby, and I want to kind of lay this on its side like that. And then I have all these little eggs, these little speckled eggs from the Dollar Tree. So I want to take a few of these, and I just kind of want to set them in there. Like that, and kind of get them where they're just kind of spilling out and get it to stay and not fall. So I just want a few of my little eggs there, and let me scooch you guys back a little bit. Now over here I'm going to set this little cement bunny, and I kind of want him to sit like this, right at that corner. I know he looks a little crazy right now, but then I have this other little pot with my lavender in it and sitting down in that one. So I want that to kind of sit there. And then just a little greenery ball like that, just to kind of bring that down this side. And that's all I'm gonna do. I love it. I'm starting to kind of go blurry here, but let me go ahead and pull you guys down, and I'll show you up a little bit closer. And it's so simple, but it just looks so pretty together. I just love how this turned out. I really do. Well, here's my little display. I love how this turned out. Kind of come over here. There's the floral arrangement. Y'all, I cannot say floral today. And the little bit of lavender kind of stuck in there. You can see the tobacco basket. And then the other little pot with the cabbage. I think that's super cute. And my little bunny. He is still by far my favorite. And if I could find more like him, I would have a bunch. My little chalkboard sign. Sorry if I'm kind of bouncing everywhere. I'm trying to hold my phone and get this. And there's a little thing like that with the eggs kind of spilling out. Then over here is my taller bunny with the greenery and just a little bit more lavender. I'm going to kind of scoot back a little bit so you can see the whole thing together. Just love this little display. I hope you guys enjoy this and give it a try. These little tobacco baskets from Walmart are awesome. A few little florals, a little cabbage plant, and you got a beautiful display together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.